Want to grow fast on Bluesky? You already know the secret: consistency. Posting interesting stuff every single day. But let's be honest, managing another platform while trying to stay sane can feel impossible. That's where automation comes in. I'll show you how to schedule Bluesky posts using Schedulala and save hours every single week. Schedulala lets you plan and publish your content ahead of time, so your posts drop exactly when your audience is online. In this video, I'll walk you through how to connect your Bluesky account and how to schedule your first post. Ready? Let's get started. First, you'll need a scheduler. I use Schedulala because it keeps my posting consistent and effortless. It is a paid tool, but honestly, it's one of the best investments you can make for growing your audience. You can grab the link in the description to set up your account, then follow along as we connect Bluesky. Step 1. Head to the sidebar in the dashboard and click Connect Bluesky. Input your Bluesky username and password, and that's it. You're ready to schedule posts directly from your dashboard. Step 2, click on Calendar. Then switch to Weekly View for a better layout. Tap any time slot right on the calendar. The Create a Post tab opens up, and this is where you make your post. Then choose Bluesky as your platform, type what you want to share, and press Schedule Post. And just like that, you're done. Now you know how to schedule and automate your Bluesky content using Schedulala. With consistently scheduling your posts, you'll grow faster on Bluesky and save hours every week. If you want to go deeper into building your content strategy, check out the next video right here.